College student by day, auto driver by night.
सुबह कॉलेज करता था और इवनिंग में मैं मेरा ऑटो चलाता था।
This is Yogesh, a young boy from Uran who refused to let his family's collapse become his full stop. Yogesh's father was a gardener. When he suddenly lost his job, so did their income. But Yogesh didn't drop out, he doubled down. Every morning he was a student, every evening he was the breadwinner. He paid for his own education, one auto ride at a time. Then a chance, a job opening at the Navi Mumbai International Airport. He applied, but he missed the call. Most people would have accepted that as a sign to quit, not Yogesh.
कहीं पे सोचा था कि करना ही है।
He did not wait for luck. He followed up relentlessly for a second chance. And when he got it, he didn't just show up, he owned it. Today, he walks the same airport corridors where millions chase their dreams. But he isn't a passenger. As a chiller operator, he is the one running the critical systems that keeps the entire building cool and breathing.
टर्मिनल का जो टेम्परेचर है कभी भी फ्लक्चुएट नहीं होना चाहिए। एवरी आवर्स उसका मॉनिटरिंग करना जरूरी है।
But the airport's cooling isn't the only thing he keeps running. At home, there are people waiting for him.
मेरा अभी खुद के मम्मी पापा और मेरा वाइफ और अभी रिसेंटली मुझे बेटा भी हुआ है। मेरा और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बढ़ रहा है, उसके हिसाब से मुझे वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी चेस करते करते मुझे और आगे भी बढ़ना है।
For Yogesh, the hard work never really ended. From the auto to the airport, it just changed shape. But through all of it, one thing kept him going.
जो आदमी सोचता है वो उसके साथ होता ही है और वो होने के लिए उसके अंदर जज्बा होना ही चाहिए।
That belief did not fix everything overnight, but it made sure he never gave up. Not when his father lost his job, not when he missed the call, not when the shifts got long. He kept going for his education, for his family, for the life he chose to build. This is Yogesh's Udan की कहानी।